Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my experience of ditching my bulky desktop PC and embracing the world of mini PCs for my everyday computing needs. For years, I've been a desktop user, building and upgrading systems. But I've recently made a switch, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. My main tasks are web browsing, document editing, streaming videos, and some light photo editing. I wanted something small, efficient, and less of a space hog. So, why did I switch? First and foremost, space. My desktop took up a significant amount of desk real estate. The mini PC, on the other hand, is incredibly compact. I can easily tuck it away behind my monitor, keeping my workspace clean and organized. Secondly, the noise levels. Desktop PCs, especially older ones, can get quite loud with their fans. The mini PC I chose is virtually silent. This makes a huge difference, especially when working or watching videos. Another significant factor was energy efficiency. Desktop PCs, with their powerful components, can consume a lot of power. Mini PCs are designed to be energy efficient, which translates to lower electricity bills and a smaller carbon footprint. The setup was a breeze. I simply connected the mini PC to my monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Everything worked right out of the box, and I was up and running in minutes. I didn't have to worry about installing drivers or dealing with complex configurations. Now, let's talk about performance. I was a bit skeptical initially. Would a mini PC be able to handle my everyday tasks without any lag or slowdown? I'm happy to report that it performs admirably. Web browsing is snappy, documents open quickly, and streaming videos are smooth and buffer-free. The photo editing software I use runs without any issues, although I admit that I don't do any heavy-duty photo editing. Overall, the performance has exceeded my expectations. I have experienced a seamless transition and can do all the same tasks I was doing on my desktop with no real difference in the experience. Of course, there are some trade-offs. Mini PCs are generally not ideal for gaming or other graphically intensive tasks. They also typically have fewer ports and expansion options compared to a desktop PC. However, for my needs, these limitations are not a concern. I don't game, and I don't need a lot of extra ports. If you're considering making a similar switch, I'd say do your research. Look for a mini PC with the specifications that meet your needs. Consider the processor, RAM, and storage. Read reviews to get a sense of the performance and reliability. I'm genuinely happy with my mini PC. It's compact, quiet, energy efficient, and performs well for my everyday tasks. It has simplified my workspace and reduced clutter. If you're looking for a simple and effective solution for everyday computing, a mini PC is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, it's your name, and today, I'm sharing my experience of ditching my bulky desktop PC and embracing the world of mini PCs for everyday tasks. For years, I was a desktop die-hard, and I loved the power and expandability of a full-sized tower. The ability to upgrade components, customize the build, and have all that processing power at my fingertips felt essential. However, I recently began to question whether I really needed all that computational muscle for my daily computing needs. My typical usage mainly revolved around web browsing, handling emails, writing and editing documents, streaming videos from various platforms, and engaging in some light photo editing, nothing that would truly push the limits of my hardware. This led me to consider a change. Could a mini PC, a compact powerhouse, truly replace my trusted desktop? Intrigued by the possibilities, I decided to take the plunge and find out. I dedicated a significant amount of time to researching different mini PC models. I scoured the internet, reading countless reviews, comparing specifications, and watching video demonstrations to gain a comprehensive understanding of what was available. After careful consideration, I finally settled on a mini PC model name. The first thing that instantly struck me upon unboxing the Mini PC was its remarkably small size. This thing is genuinely tiny. It could easily fit, comfortably, in the palm of my hand. The contrast with my hulking desktop tower was immediately apparent. The setup process was exceptionally straightforward and effortless. I simply connected my existing monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the power cable. The mini PC came pre-installed with Windows, saving me the hassle of that initial setup step. I was up and running, ready to go, within a matter of minutes. Now, for the critical question, how did it perform in real-world use? Honestly, I'm genuinely blown away by its capabilities. For my everyday computing tasks, the mini PC is exceptionally snappy and responsive. Web pages load quickly, streaming videos, even in high definition, is flawlessly smooth, and I can edit photos with relative ease. And without any noticeable lag or delay. I haven't observed any significant, or even minor, difference in the overall performance. When compared to my old, more powerful desktop PC, one of the most significant advantages, in my opinion, of a mini PC is its incredible portability. I can effortlessly move it from my designated desk setup to the living room, allowing for a more versatile and comfortable viewing experience, or even take it with me on trips, making it a perfect companion for travel. It's also remarkably energy efficient, a significant bonus. It consumes considerably less power than my desktop, which is beneficial for both the environment and, of course, my electricity bill. Of course, there are some trade-offs to consider. Mini PCs, in general, usually have less processing power compared to the high-end desktop PCs, so they might not be ideally suited for demanding tasks, such as high-end gaming or extensive video editing and rendering. However, for my particular needs and typical usage patterns, the performance offered is more than adequate, proving to be a perfect fit. Upgradability is also somewhat limited. While you typically can add more RAM or increase the storage capacity, you generally can't upgrade the processor or the graphics card, which is something to consider. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied and happy with my decision to switch to a mini PC. It's a compact, efficient, surprisingly powerful, and incredibly convenient solution for everyday computing. If you're currently in the market for a simple, space-saving, and power-efficient alternative to a traditional desktop PC, I wholeheartedly recommend giving a mini PC a serious try. You might be as pleasantly surprised as I was. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.